Working on my 350 2008, R350 2008. There is an engine oil leak that's behind the engine. I find it in my driveway sometimes. The common problem for it is the PCV valve, and I will show you how to replace that. It comes with 3 washers. The PCV valve is behind this whole engine bay. So to remove, if you have to remove this whole thing, these 2 bolts has to be removed, and those 2, and then this one, this is a quarter. You have to remove this one, and I'll show you how. Now this is my small tool set with sockets. This is very important. I mean, it's very easy. It makes your life easy. You can just use this bit to use any sockets, so you don't have to use these ones manually. You can use your impact gun or drill machine with adding this bit as an extension as in the socket. So the way I will use it, I'll put this in the socket in my impact gun here. I have to pull this. There you go. And then add this extension. It's a quarter-inch. It's a quarter-inch socket here, and let's do it. And there you go, it comes out. That's how long this bolt is. Now I'm going to take out these bolts, and it requires a 13mm socket. I'm going to use here. That's 1. That's 2. Now let's see if I can do it with one hand. See, it just comes out. Take it out very gently. Now you have to take out the airflow here, and the next one. And you have to disconnect this intake, air intake here. Has an arrow, so make sure you put it back together. Now inside there is a latch, cannot be seen here. Let me see if I can. You have to just push that latch back. Let's see. No, you can't really see it, but there is a latch here which is holding this whole unit. So you have to push it back and take this out gently, just by pulling it up. It's just like changing the air filter. The air filters are in here, so you have to do this whole process to change the air filter as well. It has 2 air filters, one here and one here. So then you come here and push it up gently. Comes up, see? And Do the same here. There you go. And just have to pull this whole thing out, and I have to put my camera down so I can use both hands. And this whole unit comes out like that. You see, all I have to do is pull it up from both sides from the engine mount and then pull it out towards you. So all this is exposed. So if you ever want to work on your mass airflow, it's right here. You can always change that also easily. Now what I'm looking for is the PCV valve. And it has 3 plugs. 2 are on this side and 1 is on this side, this one, you can see it, and the PCV valve itself is right here. Now this PCV valve has 4 screws, and you can just unscrew it very gently and take it out. I've done that before, but I think I got a bad piece for the washer, and I think this is the one, because it shakes a little bit. So I'm going to replace this one here, and I'll show you. So my PCV valve came in this box. So yes, it has these 3 plugs over here, and this is PCV valve itself. It's a little bit tedious, you know. It goes in the back over here, right there. Has 4 screws, 4 bolts. You have to take it out, being careful, of course, and don't hand tighten them because it's plastic, but it does have copper bushings in it. So to hold it better, but you have to be careful because it's a plastic unit. This here is a pretty good unit also. It's industrial endoscope. You can watch, or you can see. It has a camera with the LCD screen. I'll show you that in a second. But I mean, it's pretty helpful in finding, you know, oil leaks, or if you want to look around the engine where your eyes cannot see. So this is a pretty good unit. I'll show you. Let's see if we can see any better here. Okay. This is the PCV valve, and this is the plug that I'll be changing, which is this one. This small. It has 2 small ones and 1 big. This one goes over there. These 2 go on this side. There's one big one here, and the small one is over here. So to take it out, I have to gently with this screwdriver pull it out, and it comes out. Literally, it's very simple. You just have to be gentle and careful. Here you go, it came out. See, it has all oil on it. Now you can take a rag or a napkin here, clean it up. and then simply take this and gently shove it in there in this place. I took the plug out and I put some oil on the top over here on the edges, so it makes it easier to go in. Just took the oil from the old one, just dabbed with my finger on it. So I'm gonna shove it in and push it back. So I'm gonna put my camera down. It shouldn't take more than literally less than 10 seconds. So yeah, see, here it is. I put the new part in here, and it was pretty simple. Just have to be careful, don't force too much. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Literally, I went to one of the mechanics place and he told me just to put that part in there. First of all, he was gonna charge me for each plug, 3 plugs over here, $50 each, and he was like, oh, it's all the way in the behind the engine, so you have to take out everything. So to take out everything, it's gonna be almost $870. Literally, you can do it yourself, very easy. And PCU valve and 3 plugs, I got them from eBay. I don't know, maybe $24 or something like that. And it's pretty easy. Now, all I'm gonna do is put everything back. Make sure that when you put your cover back, this was the clamp that holds it, so it goes back and forth. So make sure when you put your cover back, don't forget to push this clamp forward, so it will snug tight the cover. This thing, so it will snug down tight the cover. Now I pushed it back so I can put everything back, and yeah, there you go. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. You can do it yourself. Just a little bit patience. I mean, literally, this whole thing took me maybe 15 minutes or less. That they were gonna charge me almost $900 plus the parts, like over $1,000. Thanks for watching. Alhamdulillah.